Hey guys, today we're going to be custom coloring one of our Smart Lace Human hairstyles, Kim, in the color 24B22RN. So for our model Margarita, we're going to be toning down some of the yellow tones for her and also adding in a custom root to closer match her eyebrow color and natural biological hair. So stay tuned to see how it's done. Don't forget, visit your alternative professional hair colorist. Don't do this at home. To start our prep, we've wrapped our canvas blockhead in some saran wrap. This helps prevent any stains or moisture getting onto the canvas. We've also gone ahead and we've attached our wig and sectioned it into 4 quadrants. Here you can see we've done a center parting, making 2 sections, and sectioned those in half again. For the root color, we're using the color line Joico from their Demi-Permanent Color Series Lumishine. Once the color is mixed, I'm ready to start the application. Here, I'm just applying color to the first 1 to 2 inches of roots to create a soft shadow effect. Once the color's processed, I'm going to rinse in cool, running water and then use Jon Renau's In-Tone Violet shampoo to wash. The violet shampoo will allow me to control the yellow tones in the hair. In this video, we've shown you how we've added a root and also toned out any unwanted yellow tones using a violet-based shampoo. That's the beauty of the RN Color Series, is you're able to make your wig yours. We hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel and subscribe.